Good morning. How are ya? Tuesday morning, 10:23. Finished my workout, finished my strength training, all that kind of fun stuff. It was gorgeous early this morning. I went out on the deck around 6, 10 after 6. Was that cool? Like there was a little bit of cool air. It was just so nice. And now it's getting hot because once the sun came up really hard, me and Buddy took a walk sweating. So I waited till now to get my foundation and all that stuff on, and just finished that. So I'm gonna give myself a quick spritz here so I can layer it because it's going to be a hot one today, 89. So I want to share this summer look I absolutely love. Last night my team and I got together. Hey, Beth, and my team and I got together. We tried this look, okay, and just like Beth said, oh my gosh, I would never try these colors, and I love it. Now, if you look at your June specials, okay, up here on the top pinned, featured, I guess they call it now, you're going to notice that these colors are in that palette. Okay, and it's in the perfect palette. So these colors are in there. So what we're going to do is this is going to be a 4-color look. Okay, mainly the reason it's a 4-color look is we always work with our base color. Hey Liz, I thought you were on vacation or something, girlfriend. By the way, your mascara club's on its way to you, my friend. So what we're going to do first is we are working with Biscotti. Okay, we are working with the Biscotti. This Biscotti we absolutely love. It is a matte. Okay, and the Biscotti will actually be placed all over the eye area, okay? Because we're going to work into this. This is a matte. It's going to go all over the eye, kind of like an eye wash. Putting that Biscotti everywhere, up under the brows. Now, yeah, I have foundation on, did that already, put my brows in place. So my brows need to be in place, so I know where to put my eyeshadow, right? Exactly, so fill those in. Okay, there we go, Biscotti to work into. As we all know, take our cloth, brush off. Now remember, I keep things simple. That's why I use 2 brushes, okay? My all over color brush, my eye blending brush. So the first thing I just did was the all over color brush. Next color, all over color brush. This is when we do the patting motion, okay? And what we're doing is we're going into what is called candlelight. Now, that right there is candlelight. And what I'm doing is I am pressing into the candlelight. I'm pressing, and don't push your eyeball too hard. But see, you get much more pigment when you press, okay? Again, I'm pressing into the candlelight, okay? And I am pressing it on my lid. Just taking a quick peek in the mirror too, make sure it looks good, because sometimes it's hard to tell on the camera. Yep. See, we've got some sparkle going on. Yay! Glistening like it is outside in the sunshine. Okay, so that was called candlelight. So the candlelight, okay, we pressed onto our lid. Next, what we're using is we are now switching to the eye blending brush. Our next color we're going to be using is called burnished bronze. Now, that right there is burnished bronze. So we're going to take burnished bronze and onto our color brush. Now, I do like to tell you that a lot of times I tamp off a little bit. See, a little bit of that came off because I am just going back and forth with the eye blending brush. Okay, can you see back? I do a little bit of circle in here, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Okay, a little bit of circle in here, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. I don't take it out any farther past here. Hey, Linda, hi, sweetie, how are you? I don't go out past our fence post line, okay? So that's why I start with the brush here, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, okay? Okay, again, we're gonna take that burnished bronze on the other side with our eye blending brush. Come right into here, do a little circle, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, okay? Get that blend. Now, this is, again, blend, 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 eye blending brush. Blend, 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 blend. Because you really want to get this blending going on. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I love that, okay? And dark pushes back, light brings forward, so we have more of an open eye area. So there you see it, the burnished bronze, here's the candlelight patted in, Biscotti was over the whole eye. Now, you can just stop right there. Fabulous 3-color look, stop right there. Or if you want to have a little accent today, again, brushing off you can hop into the mahogany, okay? Mahogany is something new, and it's also a mat that I just started playing with. Okay, this is right there. That is mahogany. Mahogany. So we're going to take the eye blending brush. We're going to go into the mahogany. We are then going to go like this. See that? Extra mahogany that I don't want on my eyeball yet, okay? So tamp it off so your accent color doesn't go, whoa. Then again, I'm going into that same place. I'm not going out here. Just go in that same place, doing a circle in there and kind of brushing it a little bit into the eyelid, kind of like a little V, and circling it in here. Now, I also like to open my eyes a little, put my eyeshadow on, because then I can see, well, that's where it's going to be, because my eyes are going to be open most of the time. I'm not going to have my eyes shut talking to everybody. Okay? Okay, notice, see? Because I tamped some of that off, it's not like, whoa, okay? Got it? What do you think? All right. Other side. Mahogany. Again. Tamping some of it off. Go right in here. Back and forth. Sorry, I gotta look in the mirror a second, because again, as I said, it's harder to see in my phone, especially because everybody word saying hello. Hey Miranda, hi sweetie, how are you? Good morning. All right, now, remember I told you, I will tell you right now that, I'm just doing a little bit in here with that mahogany. Again, eye blending brush. Now, blending is super, 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 super important. I'm taking everything off my brush, and now I'm blending the whole eye area together. Taking everything off my brush, blending the whole eye area together. There's one thing I am going to do to finish though. Okay? I'm going back in with the all over color brush, and I'm going back into Candlelight. So I'm going to press. Remember what I said? You press. Press into the Candlelight, and I'm doing the inner corner to give that some pizzazz. Inner corner going almost into the center, because I blended a lot of that pop out and I want to bring it back in. See? Ta-da! Pops back. Ooh, I do love this. Okay. Next, what I'm doing is I am taking, I don't know what I'm taking. Where'd my brown eyeliner go? It's here somewhere. Last one I picked up was the brown, okay? So we're taking the brown eyeliner. Remember, when I do eyeliner, all I do is tickle. And I don't shut my eye tight shut, otherwise it gets in underneath. All right, tickle it back and forth. I just kind of go in those lashes and move those lashes around. Okay? That's exactly what I'm doing. I gotta look in the mirror a little bit though. Okay, now, right now, if you notice, I only do the uppers. Okay, can you do the lowers? Absolutely. And in fact, if you want to, you can just do a little bit. Now, it's sweaty out there, and you guys know I love the outdoors. So I'm very cautious about how much I put under here, because it is waterproof, but I can sweat really good. There we go. That's brown waterproof eyeliner. We're going to finish off. I love Intensity Mascara. We're going to finish off with some Intensity Mascara here. Whoa. Let's top off some of that so we don't end up with it somewhere else. Short bristles first, twist, long bristles, back in. My thumb is on the Mary Kay insignia right here. Boop, boop. Thumbs on there, short bristles first. Now when I do mascara, I go like this and I switch like this. Everybody has a different way of doing it. This is the way I do it, okay? Sharp bristles, then I twist. Long bristles to pull everything up and out. Of course, we need a second coat. Short bristles. Twist, long bristles. Hey, Pam, hi there, how are you? How you doing with your eyeliner we've been working with? Long bristles. I know. Pam's been working with her eyeliner too. Kind of putting it on to make it easier by the way I was showing you guys. Yeah, hope you're doing well with it, hon. Let me know if you're not. We can play some more. She came to my home studio. It was so much fun. Okay, there we go. Yeah, 2 looks pretty good today. Oh. Okay, now I want to show you guys. This is a color I don't normally use. And so we tried it and played with it last night and went, whoa! And it's copper. Golden copper. Okay, so this right there is a golden copper. I'm like going, ooh. So, cheek brush, dusting across the golden copper. Tapping a little off. Again, cheek brush, cheek blush starts here, comes down to here, no closer than 2 fingers to the nose. Brushes like this, see where the color is, the brush is like this. We bring it like this and up. Okay, see, I did the same thing last night. I went, oh, I said, I don't know about this. Okay, so I'm going like that, taking a little bit, other side. But remember, we're doing this because we're getting some angle. It's funny, it looks lighter on that side. I think it's the lighting because of my light is here. Okay, so there we go. Now, what I'm doing, again, taking the color off and now blending. Taking the color off and I'm blending. So notice how it gives that effect, okay? I love it. See, it gives more of a shape like this, right? And then of course my top, so it's bringing the eye in. I don't have because I have a square face, so I don't have my jowl line so much anymore, okay? So that's why putting the eyeshadow, or the eyeshadow, cheek blush like that. Now, I am gonna take the tip of here, and I'm going into Honey Glow. Honey Glow is a part of that. And I'm just doing a little bit of Honey Glow right here. And I'm doing a little bit of Honey Glow right here. To give me some glowy. Ooh. Leave it there. Okay. Hey, Brenda! Dropping off your goodies today, sweetie. There we go. So, that's this new look. Okay. Well, it's not the new look, but you will find it. So, what we did is we had all over biscotti. Then we had candlelight on the lids. We had burnished bronze in the crease. And we had mahogany as the outer accent. Deep brown eyeliner, or not deep brown, brown waterproof eyeliner, mascara, golden copper. And I am finishing off, I'm in love. I have sold so many of these in my sale. Is that sparkle lipstick for summer. And this is the Positive Impact. I was playing with it. I just got it all over me. I was playing and letting somebody else try it last night. And I had pieces all over it. Yeah. Now, what would really be cool too, like, is either Copper Aura cheek, lip gloss, if you like lip gloss, or the Beach Bronze lip gloss with this. But right now, I'm in love with Positive Impact right now. I'm wearing it all the time, which actually I could put a Beach Bronze over top to give it a little bit of golden type look. Yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys have an awesome Tuesday. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Gotta go put some jewelry on, and we are gonna go out, start delivering top off Jeep. Beep, beep, Jeep. Absolutely. So have a blessed day, you guys. Bye.